The incoming Speaker of the Arizona House of Representatives is considering whether to file a lawsuit to block an increase to minimum wage. Voters approved the measure last month. Representative J.D. Mesnard says the increase might violate the state's constitution's requirement that initiatives contain a funding source if they require state expenses. And organizations across Tucson are asking the legislature and governor to stop the minimum wage increase as well. 9 on your side's Alexa Liaco's live from the east side with how this increase could limit social services from the disabled across our state. Alexa, I think this is troubling for some.
Pat, it is, and it has a wide-reaching impact as well. And healthcare services for the disabled are not the only state-provided services at risk. Organizations like the Easter Seals Blake Foundation have already warned their healthcare workers that their hours will be cut next year to make sure that everyone is paid that new higher minimum wage. This organization alone says more than 200 of its employees will be hurt by cuts because the federal and state funding has not been increased to reflect the minimum wage increase. Programs that provide hourly services to families with disabled children and adults will get the first cuts, but more cuts may be on the way.
Services for individuals with developmental disabilities, group home services definitely will, I believe, suffer the most because that's those individuals' home. That's where they live. That's some of them have lived there for many, many years. So those are the ones that I'm the most concerned about because there's no easy way to replace that service.
The Easter Seals Blake Foundation says they need an estimated $500,000 to pay these employees, and they simply don't have it. The Easter Seals Blake Foundation, though, and all the other organizations that we spoke with did make it clear that they do support a raise in the minimum wage. They say their employees definitely deserve to be paid more, but come January 1st, they're worried that the thousands of disabled people across southern Arizona that they care for will not have the staff that they need. Pat, back to you.